Good morning, children. How are you? Welcome to Maths Class 5, Chapter 10 Profit and Loss and Unitary Method, Part 2. Today, we are going to discuss the solution of exercise 10.1. Let's start with question number 1. Surinder is a vegetable merchant. Help him to complete the following table. सुरेंदर जो है एक वेजिटेबल मर्चेंट है, उसको आपको हेल्प करना है इस टेबल को कंप्लीट करने में। तो ये है आइटम्स: ओनियन, पोटैटो, टोमेटो, ब्रोकली, कैबेज, लेमन। अब यहाँ पर कॉस्ट प्राइस है, सेलिंग प्राइस है, प्रॉफिट है और लॉस है। अब ओनियन का कॉस्ट प्राइस है उसका ₹10 और सेलिंग प्राइस है ₹13। अब आपको ये डिसाइड करना है कि इस ट्रांजैक्शन में सुरेंद्र को प्रॉफिट होगा या लॉस। Because in a transaction either there is a profit or there is a loss. Only one thing can happen, either profit or loss. So you can see, children, cost price is ₹10 and selling price is ₹13. It means कि selling price is greater than cost price. So in case selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. You know the formula. If selling price is greater than the cost price, there is a profit in the transaction. So profit equal to SP minus CP, means cost price minus selling price. Selling price minus cost price equal to ₹13 minus ₹10 equal to ₹3, and this column will be blank because in a transaction either profit or loss is there. Both things cannot happen. Now for potato, cost price is ₹9, selling price is blank and profit is ₹10. See, children, CP equal to ₹9 and profit equal to ₹2. Then SP equal to cost price plus profit, means कि CP plus profit. CP is ₹9 and profit is ₹2. Then SP equal to ₹9 plus ₹2 equal to ₹11. Next for tomato, CP you have to find, SP equal to ₹25 and profit equal to ₹6. See, here you have to understand selling price includes cost price and profit. Since profit is ₹6, therefore cost price equal to selling price minus profit. So 25 minus 6 equal to ₹19 is the cost price. Next, broccoli. CP ₹20, selling price is not given and loss is given ₹3. CP is ₹20 and loss is ₹3. Then SP equal to CP minus loss. तो ₹20 minus ₹3 equal to ₹17. Because if selling price is less than cost price, then there is loss. तो cost price was ₹20 and selling price was ₹17. 20 minus ₹3, because ₹3 is the loss, so ₹20 minus ₹3 equal to ₹17 is the selling price. Now cabbage, cost price you have to find. Selling price is given rupees 18 and loss is given rupees 4. So on selling price is rupees 18 and loss is rupees 4. Then cost price equal to CP equal to SP minus loss. SP is rupees 18 minus loss rupees 4. 18 minus 4 equal to rupees 14. Sorry, cost price equal to selling price plus loss, because selling price is rupees 18 and on selling rupees 18 there is a loss of rupees 4. It means ki cost price was greater than rupees 18. It means you can understand that cost price will be selling price plus loss, means ki cost price was greater than rupees 18. So 18 plus rupees 4 equal to rupees 22. Cost price will be rupees 22. Now you can understand, cost price is rupees 22, selling price is rupees 18, means ki selling price is less than cost price. Then there is loss of rupees 4. Now for lemon, CP equal to rupees 30, profit equal to rupees 12. Then SP equal to CP plus profit. So rupees 30 plus rupees 12 equal to rupees 42. Now say question number 2. Ayush buys an old computer for rupees 4,800 and spends rupees 700 on its repairs. If he sells the computer for rupees 5,900, find his profit. Solution. Say children, Ayush buys an old computer for rupees 4,800. This is the CP. So we will write CP equal to rupees 4,800 and overhead expenses equal to rupees 700, because he spends rupees 700 on its repair. So money spent on repairing is called overhead expenses. Repairing, transportation charge, these all are included in overhead expenses and added to the CP to find the actual CP. Here students, CP equal to 4,800, overhead expenses equal to rupees 700. Therefore actual CP equal to CP plus overhead expenses equal to rupees 4,800 is the CP, plus overhead expenses is rupees 700 equal to rupees 5,500. Now actual CP equal to rupees 5,500 and SP equal to rupees 5,900, because he sells the computer for rupees 5,900. This is the SP. Therefore profit equal to SP minus CP equal to rupees 5,900 minus rupees 5,500 equal to rupees 400. Thus Ayush made a profit of rupees 400. Question number 3. 100 oranges were bought for rupees 350 and sold at the rate of rupees 480. Find the profit or loss. So first you have to decide students. 100 oranges were bought for rupees 350. So rupees 350 is the CP and sold at the rate of rupees 480. Therefore rupees 480 is the SP. So you will write CP of 100 oranges equal to rupees 350, SP of 100 oranges equal to rupees 480. Since SP is greater than CP, there is a profit. You know students, if SP is greater than CP, then there is a profit in a transaction. So profit equal to SP minus CP equal to rupees 480 minus rupees 350 equal to rupees 130. So profit is rupees 130. Now move to question number 4. Shreya bought a second hand car for rupees 80,000, spent rupees 5,000 on its repairs and rupees 1,000 on transportation. She later sold it at a profit of rupees 21,500. At what price did Shreya sell the car? Here children, you can see Shreya bought a car for rupees 80,000. This is the CP, and spent rupees 5,000 on repair, rupees 1,000 on transportation. These two expenses will be overhead expenses. Okay, and later she sold it at a profit of rupees 21,500. This is the profit. So you have to find at what price did Shreya sell the car, means selling price. You have to find the selling price. So solution, CP equal to rupees 80,000 and overhead expenses. Overhead expenses equal to rupees 5,000 plus rupees 1,000 equal to rupees 6,000. Because children आपको ध्यान देना है, एक्स्ट्रा जो खर्च हुआ 5,000 रिपेयरिंग में और 1,000 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में, सारा एक्स्ट्रा खर्च जो है ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेज में आता है, और ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेज को सीपी में ऐड करते हैं तब एक्चुअल सीपी निकलता है, क्योंकि एक्चुअल सीपी पर ही प्रॉफिट या लॉस कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेज इक्वल टू रुपीज 6,000. देयरफॉर एक्चुअल सीपी इक्वल टू सीपी प्लस ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेज equal to rupees 80,000 plus rupees 6,000 equal to rupees 86,000. Now profit is given rupees 21,500. Profit is 21,500. So SP equal to, you know, CP plus profit. SP equal to CP plus profit equal to rupees 86,000. Rupees 86,000 is actual CP plus profit equal to rupees 21,500 equal to rupees 1,07,500. You will add CP and profit to get rupees 1,07,500. Thus Shreya sold the car for rupees 1,07,500. This is the answer. Now question number 5. A TV set is purchased for rupees 6,900 and sold for rupees 6,825. Find the loss. Purchased for rupees 6,900 children. It means this is the CP, and sold for rupees 6,825. This is the SP. You have to find the loss, because here SP is less than CP. Solution, CP equal to rupees 6,900 means कि CP of TV set equal to rupees 6,900 and SP of TV set equal to rupees 6,825. Since CP is greater than SP, here you can see children, CP is greater than SP. In this case there is a loss. You know, if CP is greater than SP, then there is a loss in a transaction. So loss equal to CP minus SP. This is the formula. Loss equal to CP minus SP equal to rupees 6,900. CP is rupees 6,900 minus SP is rupees 6,825 equal to rupees 75. Thus the loss is rupees 75. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Alka bought rice for rupees 56.25 and sold it at a profit of rupees 11.25. What is the selling price of the rice? Children, Alka bought rice for rupees 56.25. This is the CP of rice, and sold it at a profit of rupees 11.25. This is the profit. So you have to find the selling price, means ki SP. So CP of rice equal to rupees 56.25. It is given in the question, and profit equal to rupees 11.25. It is also given in the question. Now you know SP equal to CP plus profit, means selling price equal to cost price plus profit, equal to rupees 56.25. This is the CP, plus rupees 11.25. This is the profit, equal to rupees 67.50. 56.25 plus 11.25 equal to 67.50. Thus the selling price of the rice is rupees 67.50. Now move towards question number 7. Ramita sold a washing machine for rupees 9,500 at a loss of rupees 700. What was the cost price of the washing machine? Here children, rupees 9,500 is the SP of washing machine, because Ramita sold the washing machine for rupees 9,500. It means ki this is the SP. At a loss of rupees 700 means ki rupees 700 is the loss. So what was the cost price of the washing machine? It means cost price of washing machine was greater than 9,500, because he sold for rupees 9,500 and lost rupees 700. It means ki CP was greater than this. Solution: SP of washing machine equal to rupees 9,500, loss equal to rupees 700. And you know children, CP equal to SP plus loss. In case of loss, CP इक्वल टू SP प्लस लॉस. अगर लॉस होता है किसी ट्रांजैक्शन में तो कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या होता है? सेलिंग प्राइस प्लस लॉस होता है, क्योंकि CP जो होता है, कॉस्ट प्राइस जो होता है, सेलिंग प्राइस से ज़्यादा होता है, इसीलिए लॉस होता है. तो CP इक्वल टू SP प्लस लॉस इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 9,500 प्लस रुपीज़ 700 इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 10,200. Thus the cost price of the washing machine was rupees 10,200. Cost price of the washing machine was rupees 10,200. This is the answer. So this much for today children. Exercise 10.1 is finished. I hope you have understood, and if you have understood the video, you will watch the video carefully and do the exercises in your notebook. So this much for today, and if you like this video, you can share it to your friends, and please subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of other videos at the earliest. Thank you.